Hello and welcome to Ninja Sauce. On today's video, we're gonna look at how we can pay due expenses. So first of all, we click on three lines on the top left side. Then we navigate to expenses. Then we click on list of expenses from the expenses menu. Here you can see all of our expenses. Then we click on actions. Then we click on add payment. A box will pop up. Then we select the due amount. Let's say and if you want to add any specific file like receipt of the payment, you can add here as well. And then we hit save. An alert message will pop up that indicates that you have successfully add payment to the expense. And that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a blessed day.